Welcome to another episode of the Idiom Vault. Today's idiom in focus is, hit the sack. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to continue to explore all of the hidden treasures in the Idiom Vault. Let's get started. The idiom, hit the sack, is an informal expression that means to go to bed or to go to sleep. It is often used to indicate that someone is tired and is ready to go to bed for the night. The origin of this idiom is uncertain, but there are a few theories about its possible sources. One theory suggests that sack refers to a bed or a sleeping bag, specifically a sack filled with straw or hay that people used to sleep on in earlier times. Another theory proposes that sack refers to the practice of hitting the sides of a mattress to fluff it up before going to bed. However, neither of these theories has strong evidence to support it, and the exact origin of the idiom remains unclear. The usage of hit the sack is common in informal conversations and is used to convey a casual and light-hearted tone. Listen to how hit the sack is used in a few sentences. Then, practice reading the sentences back.
I'm exhausted after a long day at work. I think it's time to hit the sack. Now, you try to read it back to me. Great job!
We have an early morning tomorrow, so let's hit the sack early tonight. Can you try to read this one? Awesome!
After the party, everyone was ready to hit the sack and get some rest. Last one. Can you read this one? Wow, you did a wonderful job.
Do you think you're understanding? Ready for a challenge? See if you understand how it is used in this text conversation. Why did Naomi tell Jesse they should hit the sack? Remember, hit the sack is used to indicate the intention or need to go to bed or sleep. It's a simple and widely understood phrase to express the idea of winding down and preparing for rest. What time do you normally hit the sack? Let us know in the comments. Want to learn about a specific idiom? Be sure to leave a comment below as well. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you all for our next trip into the vault.